This device isn't an intercom, but yet it still provides the same functionality as an intercom. It's called a cell switch or a gate opener. And the purpose of it is to allow you to access this unit from your cell phone. You can send text messages to it, but there is an app, and that goes on an Android or iPhone. And what that app does is it allows you to send messages to the gate. You can open the gate, see its status, and everything. And the whole purpose of this is to, instead of having an intercom at your gate, you just attach this to the gate and you put a sign at the gate that says something like this: welcome for entry call, and then a phone number, whether it's your cell phone number, or you just get a Google Voice number and that forwards to your cell phone number. And then what you can do is people, instead of pressing a button at your gate, they're just going to pull out their cell phone and call you. And at that point you can decide whether to let them in. And there's other features to this as well. So it allows you to send messages to the gate to latch it open. So for a day you need to let some construction people in, you can just latch it open all day. Or you can also send messages to it to momentarily open it. There are time of day settings to this as well. So for instance, if you want to open the gate on Tuesday at 5 p.m. for some reason, and you can either latch it open or it can trigger it momentarily. So up to 999 seconds the gate would trigger it to open, and then up to 999 seconds later it closes, and you can program those seconds in there. So it's very versatile in the way you set it up to automatically open the gate. There are all sorts of status indicators as well. So you can get the status of the gate, whether there are two relays in it, and you can check the status of whether they're open or closed. And if you put a switch on your gate, you can actually verify the status of your gate too, to make sure it is actually closed when it should be and open when it should be. And it gives you an activity log of the last 20 users who triggered the gate, and it shows the date and time. And there are other ways to trigger the gate, which I'll show you in a bit. And there is a notification feature, so you can get a text message every time the gate is open, so you can kind of keep an eye on what's going on. But as far as other ways to open the gate, there are 100 slots for telephone numbers you can program in. So for instance, if you program in one of your family or friends, or even the lawn care service, if you program their telephone number into one of those 100 slots, every time one of those telephone numbers calls the gate, it will automatically open the gate. You don't have to get involved in it at all. So it's an easy way. Instead of having a keypad there, you just have people pull out their cell phone and call the telephone number of the gate, and automatically it pops right open. So it's a very handy feature. And of course the activity log does show those people who have triggered it. Now if you want to install a keypad, it does have the feature where it can send a text message whenever that keypad is being used. So you can kind of monitor it from that way too. And if your keypad has any kind of history, then you can see which number triggered it. We do give you a company here to get these signs made. So just click on this custom signs number, and you can get these signs made with your phone number if you'd like, and you can get them in different colors as well. So instead of having a gate intercom, make use of the people's cell phones instead. So check it out, intercomsonline.com.